In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, it is essential to comply with regulations to ensure the responsible use of AI. Today, we are here to discuss the important role of an authorized representative in the European Union, EU, for AI systems. Whether they are an individual or an organization, an authorized representative in the EU plays a crucial role in ensuring that AI systems entering the EU market meet the necessary regulatory standards. Let's imagine a situation where a company from China wants to introduce their cutting-edge AI system to the European market. In order to navigate the complex regulatory landscape effectively, they must appoint an authorized representative who is based in the EU. This appointed representative takes on the responsibility of ensuring that the AI system aligns with the regulations set by the EU. They perform conformity assessments to ensure that the system meets the required standards. Additionally, they are responsible for maintaining the technical documentation and reporting any incidents that may occur. Essentially, they act as the bridge between the provider of the AI system and the regulatory requirements. Having an authorized representative in the EU is not only a matter of meeting legal obligations, but also about establishing trust and transparency in the use of AI technologies. It showcases a commitment to compliance and accountability, which are crucial aspects of responsible AI innovation. To conclude, appointing an authorized representative in the EU for your AI system is not just a regulatory necessity. It is a strategic move to build credibility and ensure adherence to standards. By doing so, you can actively contribute to the responsible advancement of AI technology. Join us in this journey towards responsible AI innovation. Stay compliant, stay competitive. Thank you for watching.